is up, YouTube? Welcome back. So today is totally different video than what I've generally been doing. I am actually at a truck pull. I've got a fairly new to me truck that I don't think any of you have seen yet. I've pretty much bought it and it's sat. But anyway, we're going to try slide pulling it. We're going to see how it goes. I've never slide pulled in my life yet, but I'm going to give it a shot. This is basically a pretty near stock horsepower, tune and injectors, but stock HE341 turbo. So not a ton of power, but we're going to see how it goes. So stay tuned. Hopefully get some video of it and enjoy the footage, maybe the carnage. We'll see. All right, so here's the truck. Very mint. Probably the cleanest third gen I've seen around. Like I said, pretty much stock. Little tune, little head studs, small injectors, and here's what we're dealing with. So there's my buddy's truck right here. Pretty nasty Duramax. We're gonna see what that can do. Not really set up for pulling, but we're gonna do it. Got this cat eye here. Looks pretty serious. 6.0 over there. So should be a pretty good pull.
Brian Keller, he will be the test puller on the track. Brian Keller with the green flag on the track, the green light on the track control. 312.66 is the distance to beat. Well, he ran out of turbocharger there, but Steve Morris. Standing it up at the end of the track. Jim Flynn, Decorah, Iowa 304.
But right now, we got Justin Adam out of Decorah with the 2011 Ram.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, hell no!
Did anybody get anything to eat here today? And was it when we start cooking food? We do it. Oh! Yes, we fooled them, didn't we? So yeah, thanks to our cooking crew, slaving over those grills all day. They do an amazing job year after year, and generation after generation.
I know, me neither. But it did exactly
try third gear, see what that does for us. All right.
Brandon Shirk out of New Hampton. All right, 2:15 and 7 for Brandon. 2:15 and 7.
All right, so definitely could have used fourth gear, but the goal was keep the truck together because I do not have a trailer here, and also first time out. So I'm going to say that's a win. Totally happy with that, and that was fun. All right, guys, so this is day after the pool. Just figured I'd do a little recap. So this is obviously the first time I've been out in a new to me truck. That was actually the first time I ever put this thing into four-wheel drive, and really the longest I've ever drove this truck. So overall, a ton of fun. Definitely have some things that I know I can do different next time. For one, definitely going to pull in fourth. Look at the truck, had absolutely no issues whatsoever. Even on a fairly tight track, it did end up getting a little slimy right at the end. But yeah, basically just playing with it. Didn't load the truck at all. Could easily have pulled fourth and done a bit better, but being my first time, I wanted to take it conservative, make it to the end, not be that guy that stalls it off and makes a fool out of himself. So I figured I'd do what I knew would work. I knew obviously third gear it should pull it down through, and it did. Got a few of it. Truck seemed to settle down and pull it no issue. But for now, let's quick take a tour of the truck, kind of get an idea of what we're working with. And also, if you guys want to see some more truck content, comment below. I've got this truck, then I've got my 4th gen. That truck, just some quick rundown on that one. That is kind of my daily driver / work truck. This one has 620 some thousand miles on an unopened engine. Got got a very basic build on it, head studs, 100% injectors, 12 mil CP3, and stainless diesel 472 on it. And then obviously completely self-built. I got a self-built 68 in it. That's been doing pretty good. I am overpowering it a bit. I'm gonna need to pull it out and do a few more upgrades to really be able to lean on it hard. As well as also have a first gen that's kind of somewhat of a drag, burnout, fun weekend truck that's blown up half the time anyway. And then I also have an LML Duramax that is also kind of my somewhat stock, reliable work truck. So that's kind of the rundown on my trucks. If you want to see more of them, comment below and I can try to do that. But for now, let's take a little walk around the truck. So it is a 2003. I just bought this about 3 weeks ago. It was a complete frame off. I guess you would call it a restoration. It has a new cabin box from a 1500 on it. Frame has been completely sandblasted and painted. It came on these wheels. I just put the tires on, which ended up being perfect for pulling. And yes, I also do have a cab over as well. That's something that would interest you guys in seeing some content on. So yeah, just overall, pretty clean truck. Got it locked. See if we can pop the hood and keep going. Okay, here we go. So not much to see in here. Standard 3rd gen cracked dash. The truck has 162,000 miles on it, I want to say. Pop the hood here. So again, basic 03, intake, head studs, DDP 30% over injectors, but it is still stock HE341 on there. So that is the first thing that's going to get changed. So turbo is definitely the next thing on the list that's going to need to get upgraded. Comment below, let me know what you guys think with this fuel setup with the 30% injectors. I may throw on a 10, maybe a 12 mil pump, and then trying to decide between a 67 or maybe I believe it's a 63-64. Just can't quite make up my mind. Currently does have the Veil Air dual disc street clutch in it, which currently holds the power great. I'm not sure how long it's going to do that if I start beating on it with a bigger turbo. But obviously new to all this pulling stuff. Kind of thanks to Josh McCormick for getting me into this, but we're going to see what we can do. So catch you on the next one. Again, comment below. Let me know what you want to see, what you don't want to see. If you got pointers, suggestions, just comment below. Let me know.